little seed starting to grow. I'm a little seed growing up through the dirt. I'm a little seed bursting into a flower. The seed grew into a flower. Yes, Doris. April showers bring May flowers, and that's what I know about springtime.
Thank you for a wonderful In the Spotlight, Lily.
You're welcome, Mrs. Jenkins. We like springtime. Yeah!
All right, everyone. It's time to open up the windows and blow the dust off. Oh. Mother Nature is waking up from her long winter sleep. Now, I want each of you to think of a special project that reminds us of springtime.
Oh! I'm going to paint a daisy marker for the garden.
That's a good idea.
Can I paint one too?
Whatever you like. Let's get busy.
Hey, Frank. What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
What do you think of when you think of spring?
Birds! Let's build a birdhouse
Out of ice cream sticks.
Will we have to eat lots of ice cream?
Only if we build a big one.
Okay, let's build a big one.
Frank and Frank, I have just the thing to help.
Maybe Mrs. J has some ice cream for us.
Yeah.
I enjoy ice cream myself from time to time.
Huh?
Here you go, boys.
Gee, thanks, Mrs. Jenkins.
Yeah, thanks a lot. That's really swell.
I'm going to spring into spring. Get it?